Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the devices and files so the process flows. Make sure your Xbox is updated and connected to the internet, and sign into the same Microsoft account you use for OneDrive. Upload the PowerPoint file to OneDrive now and confirm sharing permissions so Xbox can access it. Once done, open Microsoft Edge on Xbox to verify you can reach OneDrive. This initial verification prevents permission errors later and speeds the next steps. Next, you install and launch PowerPoint or the Office Progressive web app on Xbox and access your file. Open the Microsoft Store, install Office or PowerPoint PWA, then sign in with the same account. Navigate to OneDrive inside the app or via Edge and open your PPTX. Use the controller to enter presentation mode for viewing, or connect a USB/Bluetooth keyboard and mouse if you need to edit slides. This gives faster navigation and precision for complex. Finally, start the slideshow and manage output for an audience. Use controller triggers or keyboard arrows to advance slides and connect audio through TV or headset. If you need streaming, use Xbox Capture or the Xbox app to cast to other devices. If the file won't open, resync OneDrive, clear the Office app cache, or open the file in Edge as a fallback. These steps resolve most access and compatibility issues. Try them before rebuilding the presentation from a backup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.